The Ace of Wands. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A special message. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You have something special. Something special message. Something sweet. Something good. Six of Wands. Oh my God, they are coming in. Pisces, Cancer. Okay? Come on. Ano naman kayo? Maging open naman kayo, di ba? Open your doors. Open your doors. Open your heart. Wala namang mawawala. Di ba? Maybe your person want to say sorry. Maybe your ex-husband